Just a short drive north of Toronto lies one of Ontario's most charming historic villages, Unionville. Located in the city of Markham, this picturesque destination was founded in the late 18th century and has beautifully preserved its old-world charm while blending it with modern cafés, art galleries, and boutique shops. Walking through Unionville feels like stepping into a storybook. Colorful flowers, heritage buildings, and quiet tree-lined streets create a setting that feels both peaceful and cinematic. Unionville has become a beloved escape for locals and tourists alike. In the summer, it's full of open-air events, live music, and patios bustling with people. In the fall, the warm colors of the leaves make every corner look like a painting. Whether you come here for a relaxing afternoon, a romantic stroll, or just to take photos, Unionville offers a calm retreat away from Toronto's busy streets. Now, let's explore some of the most beautiful spots in this little gem of Ontario. Toogood Pond Park. At the southern edge of Unionville sits Toogood Pond Park, a quiet oasis surrounded by trees, walking trails, and a picturesque pond that reflects the changing seasons. It's a popular place for locals to walk their dogs, jog, or simply sit by the water and unwind. The park's trail loops around the pond and offers scenic views from every angle. During the fall, the reflections of red and gold leaves on the water create one of the most photogenic spots in the Greater Toronto area. In spring and summer, ducks and geese glide across the pond, and families gather for picnics under the shade. It's peaceful, yet full of life, if you love nature photography or simply enjoy a quiet moment outdoors. Toogood Pond Park is a place you'll want to stay longer than planned. Unionville Main Street. Just a few steps away from the park, Unionville's Main Street invites you into the heart of the village. This street is lined with 19th century buildings that now host cozy cafes, family-run restaurants, and boutique shops selling everything from handmade crafts to vintage decor. Walking here is like traveling back in time. You can almost imagine horse-drawn carriages once rolling down the same road. In the summer, hanging flower baskets add color to every corner, and musicians often perform live on the sidewalks. The aroma of fresh pastries and roasted coffee fills the air as people sit outside enjoying the calm rhythm of small-town life. If you're visiting Unionville, Main Street is where you'll truly feel the spirit of the village. Varley Art Gallery. A few minutes away from Main Street is the Varley Art Gallery, named after Frederick Varley, one of Canada's famous group of 7 painters. This small but inspiring gallery showcases both historical and contemporary Canadian art. It's a great place to take a break from walking, immerse yourself in creativity, and learn more about the artists who shaped Canada's art scene. The gallery also hosts rotating exhibitions, workshops, and events throughout the year, making each visit unique. Even if you're not an art expert, the warm atmosphere and thoughtful displays make it a relaxing stop during your Unionville visit. Unionville Planning Mill. Another reminder of Unionville's heritage is the old planning mill, a simple wooden structure that once served the community's early settlers. Although it's no longer in operation, it stands as a quiet monument to the town's industrial past. Today, it's part of Unionville's historic charm, surrounded by walking paths and preserved architecture that tells stories of another era. Unionville might be small, but it has a timeless charm that makes it unforgettable. From the peaceful trails of Toogood Pond to the cozy cafes of Main Street and the creative spirit of the Varley Art Gallery, every corner of this village feels inviting. If you're looking for a short getaway from Toronto, somewhere to slow down, take in beautiful scenery, and maybe capture a few postcard-perfect moments, Unionville is the perfect choice. Don't forget to subscribe to WanderWay for more travel guides and hidden gems across Canada. If you've been to Unionville, I'd love to hear your favorite spots in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.